them set trend, everybody follow it. Solo make you swallow all the yellow tips.
Yeah.
Some nago barking skin dog. We not do the talking thing and the politics. Everything I run out of the care.
Sex outside, tell the pussy them try. Sex outside, tell the pussy them try. Be a yell, them a yell, make up, you bring flies. Same fall, no place, bump on, you gon' die.
Bang! What's good YouTube? It's a boy Tyrekevlogs, aka the reaction boss. And people today will have something diff. Not something diff, it's a reaction video. The reaction boss, what you expect? Nothing but a reaction, right? So today we'll have the first ever cypher from Trinidad. You understand me? This is from the Not Normal group. You see me I say? You have people like Angel, remember the Angel song that I react to? Angel with this Jada Kings. People there at Sheena this, you see me I say? Some more people from the Not Normal group. Shout out to man like Skem, you see me I say? Long time I should do a reaction for you, brother. You see me I say? Because you support me before me touch my your song them dog. I this a bit, I that me I talk about with that. What me did I think? You see me I say, well, shout out to Skem, you see me I say, shout out to everybody in that normal group. And as usual, shout out to everybody at Trinidad people. Comment on this video to see here, comment on the next video that I post. Like the video so the video get recommended to more people. You see me I say, and after you watch my reaction, you can go check out the cypher again. You see me, we're not for essay from the cypher. It been out for like 3 weeks, I've never watched it yet either. But we're going to see what I'm going for it right now. You see me I say, people, like up the video, I go hold on. Wake up out of your bed with the fire emoji them right now, people. Fire emoji in the comment section. You see me? Now run tune. The cypher, run tune.
Introducing.
Yeah.
The end and them.
The end and them.
The end and them. The end and them. The end and them. The end and them.
Yeah.
The end and
Look like, yo, this like saying not gonna be nothing normal in the youth. This not gonna be nothing normal in the youth. Introducing the end and them.
not normal.
Many say
function is function. Don't know my name, I'm strong inside Trinidad. That's where I come from.
Yeah.
I left the handgun. Bullet pick a boy like a taxi man. Green it on green like it's Pakistan.
Yeah.
Swing for the men's like my name Tarzan.
Yeah.
Dressed in all black but I'm no Batman.
Wow,
Like a
all black but you ain't no Batman. You deaf? Go on, youth.
The chopper done chop him, box him and dump him. Push up your wrist, that me not do boxing.
Yeah.
It's a brand new settings, yessin' and singing. Got some disciple niggas who sinning. Ready for the drilling, head back on ceiling. But got the weed and the weed done. Show some fresh dash and no press, but she kneeling.
No man.
I spend like a blood clot shilling. Metal bring out the Ruger, cup of tail like Kruger, kitty black like
after you go on so hard. After you go on so bad, you tell me somebody is come. You tell me after him go on so bad, you know. You tell me somebody's gonna come forward and mass up this better than how him deal with it. You tell me somebody's gonna come mad up this better. Go on!
Put a link up striker. Boy dead like keeper Lani Boss. So we struck with the fucking hitter, yo Skem. Watch it when me kill off them. Lyrical one, not normal. Bouncy when Poogie and Angel only song and holy but she full of passing.
If these niggas got a heat, let them step back. Cause these niggas only know you when you reach the top. Pave my way to success and get my money stacked. And anytime I make a face, I'm a bounce back. I'm a freak in the sheets. When I get around, I'm a cheat in the
You are a what? In the what? Mood swing go on bad, you know. But Poogie, I don't want to spoil her name, but she said she want freaking in the sheets. Go on.
streets. Good pussy make a rich nigga come quick. And fuck these hoes that I really don't fuck
Deaf?
with. Excuse my obscene just a little bit. I never had a cover for my mom, so fuck it.
Yeah.
I'm never home, always on the roll, making all the money, so my future look like gold. I'm basic. I'm not the type of girl that talk too much. Unless
Yeah.
a nigga get the speed and I'ma pull the clutch.
What?
Hands up, freeze, and get on your knees. Eat my pussy like a full course meal. Violate, and then we'll blow your brain. Brains out, have no remorse for the times that you move left.
Yeah.
Kept my eyes open for the snakes that pretend. No time to hate, cause pussy I rather cash checks. Get $1 million car and $1 million house. Smoke a couple blunts, you just bang the rest. Got my eyes on the prize, cause this empress is forever blessed.
Boy, I get shot in a broad day.
Yeah.
Raise the pan clip on the SK.
Yeah,
Head out the
Bumbo clat. Nah, that's Steffi grimy. That's Steffi grimy. Run through you.
like a little birdie. One
Yeah.
shot from the pump shot. Boy, life gone away. Anytime, anyway. Not normal, man, them dope play 7.6, take your 3 points. Dog in the middle, day me I catch him while he's sleeping. Bust your head open right open like a piston. Flesh bone brain mix up like
sleep.
Me them mad, chop off them head and put it in a bag. It's only rapid fire, head a burn like time. In a fist fight, dog me a squeeze trigger. Boys
shit, we not pass. Some man come get some fist out them know them can't win. If I see one man bigger than Bumbuckler, you are going to fist out to them. Me and me walk up and shoot at their blood clot and run left your toe. You hear that? Me, you must be mad. Richard.
If he move, then he head up split. See me evil, love kill people. Run up in time with the desert
eagle.
The thing just a beat.
They know that.
On repeat. Shots up, pull off his skin like shit. Boy dead, 6 feet underneath. Kill boy if he fun, that's how we are doing.
Yeah.
So not normal from long time. Not normal from long time. Rise up the tall thing. And then I deal up with small thing, Lord. I just like my lacing. Your teeth and tongue will get string, dog.
Sing Jay, yeah.
Set it off. Yeah, we are go bust for we aim for the top.
Let's give it the ball. Yeah, man, but no, nobody go and fuck up a track here. How do I deal with the thing? Yeah. Go on.
I'm dog money on the clock. Tie your time for shine fast. I have the skin lock. When we day up on the block. Full of real G's.
Yeah.
Girls study we like ABC. Look each other in a bundle. Rise the SLR for the pussy. Them can't see.
Hey, yeah.
Say Avaz I'm reppin' when and then them steppin'. We murder any beat.
No, Moosing. Tia, go on, but Moosing. What Moosing? Tia, tear the place. Tia, go on.
Me I go kill them with confidence. Them not ready for the war and it's evident.
3 and number line. My gun them big, but my bullet them
welcome.
Fine. And then outside for the fuckers inside. Tell them angels.
Well, pa, it's nice to put a face to the battle recall song I react to the other day, you know. Because I'm not like deal with Jada King's diff, you know. I wish I said that if you're one dog. Not normal. Your face. I don't remember the song that good morning, Dr. VP, boss, manager of the year date. But I soon check out that, but what on the dog? Go on!
One of them cry, one of them I don't know. Like the back of the beast, we go send them mail.
One of them I don't know. Hey, I'm really easy right to figure out what's out them and see one of them I didn't go on.
Just a scent of my smell, make it piss them bill. Got a big belly clip on a rifle, not normal, could call we disciple. Love boss gun, Gary, say we hide.
Oh yeah, she said, so you never get a dick in your put Bumbuckler, Angel, big up yourself. Say never get a dick in your Gucci. And what she say? But I remember what she said. Go on.
To pain, we take the title. Whoa, little bitch, we really figure. You feel a small little slims and pull the trigger.
Yeah.
I will run in your place by saying grace, dissect your face, and I might well fucking nigga. Why no, how she bad, bro? Just
yeah. Shaggy the man have a fight for the money, dog. No, hold on, fast. If you want to think about the cypher so far, what do you think about the cypher so far? You did me a say. What do you think about this so far? I know so I never seen like this from my trip from Chile before, you know. I said the first one, you know, you see me, I say. So I'm telling people, don't run put in that normal group. Don't take them lightly, you see me, I say. Hey, girl, I come, my girlfriend left be a Bumbuckler trash in a man door. Sorry about that. But I realize I be a Bumbuckler trash left in a man door. That's not a rubbish. My rubbish bin in my car. Who come here and call like Bumbuckler when they be a... Hey, girl, don't Bumbuckler put on trash in a man car door, man. The Bumbuckler there, man. My car have to stay clean. Bumbuckle belt. Who that? Big up self, run you.
Money, spending, clips, bending. Never ever this and try to violate the enemy.
Yeah.
All kind of bullets just for you and all your friends. Nah give a fuck or who we are offending. My lyrics, some boy can't really comprehend. And some squeeze on the trigger, I'm sending brain in heaven.
Yeah.
Light in your face, paper and pen.
Good up, boom. What did I light there? I am man. Right. Yeah. Run back little bit. Go. What's she there? Introduce him to my friend. Introduce him. Introduce him, my friend. Introduce him now.
Money, spending, clips, bending. Never ever this and try to violate the enemy. Got all kind of bullets just for you and all your friends. Nah give a
watch it now.
Who we are offending. My lyrics, some boy can't really comprehend. And some squeeze on the trigger, I'm sending brain in heaven.
Yeah, can't comprehend my lyrics them.
And sending Ben and leave him out and then your head and need a makeover. Gonna stay closer. We don't do bluff, we not play poker. Fuck your girl, she fry egg when she came over. But she not normal, them take over. Me say, cut it over, laugh it up. My gun never cold, me say, cough it over. Really so strong, so me not give up. Body that be a more, chalk it over. Get
Yo! Yo, if it's Cypher bad, people want the fire emoji them in the comment section. Run the fire emoji them. Run the fire emoji them right now down below the comment section, people. Bumbleclot. Bumbleclot. You see, people, I see after watch my reaction, people. You don't need to do that now. Only if you go click the link to the original Cypher, the original video, and go watch it again and heard up the numbers from that dog. You know me, I say, go over there, go all the vibes. But you know, so the reaction boss sending the back over there, so. Bumbleclot, yo. You see, I'm telling for the things like that, dog. I saw the help channel growing, dog. So I want to go over there for real, dog. I'm not joking. I say, if you watch my video right now, dog, you don't watch the Cypher yet. Just go over there, dog, and see the reaction boss send me back over here, so. You know me, I say, do that, dog. You know me? Run tune.
Them set trend, everybody follow it. Solo make you swallow all the yellow tips.
Yeah.
Some na go back in skin dog. We not do the talking thing and the politics. Everything I run out of the care for all the little insects all get spread. V.A.Z.A. Vaza we from dog, we don't play.
Gaza. Not normal. Bumbleclot. People want to think about the Cypher. What do you think about Cypher? Full of vibes. It full of bumbleclot vibes. You know me I say? It full of vibes. What do you think about the Cypher? Me not like the Cypher you kick out teeth as we say. I want to go back over there, so click the link to the original Cypher and go watch it. And make them know the reaction bar sending them back over there, so. You know me I say? Go and go read up the numbers on it, dog. You know me? Yeah, man. And look out for your video from Skem coming soon. Besides, make you know. Look out for your video from forward soon. Maybe it's a post, I'll tell them. I post it, but I don't know. A video I post today. Soon, from Skem, you know me? I still have more video for me, no? This is the first video for the day. You don't know the chat. You don't know regular blood clot routine in the people. So just stay tuned for the channel and dog. Like the video them as them post and drop the fire emoji them as them post. Next video I'm making right now. I'm out.